Chicken drumsticks. Just the name evokes a sense of comforting nostalgia. They take us back to simpler times. Remember those family dinners? The aroma of baked chicken filled the air. It's a scent that spells home. And oh, the taste. Juicy, tender meat, crispy, golden skin. Every bite is a burst of pure satisfaction. Today we embark on a culinary journey. We're going to create a dish that is simple yet extraordinary. Get ready for irresistible, juicy, baked chicken drumsticks. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, this recipe calls for staples you probably already have. Here's what we need. Chicken drumsticks, about 1.5 pounds, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. That's it. 5 simple ingredients are all that stand between you and chicken drumstick heaven. Now let's prepare our chicken. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven heats, take the chicken drumsticks out of their packaging. Pat them dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that irresistible crispy skin. Place the drumsticks in a single layer in a baking dish. Section 4. The dance of seasoning. Next comes the fun part. Seasoning. Drizzle the olive oil over the chicken drumsticks. Make sure each piece is nicely coated. Now, sprinkle generously with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Use your hands to rub the seasonings into the chicken. This ensures that every nook and cranny is infused with flavor. Section 5. The alchemy of baking. Our chicken is prepped and ready for its transformation. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes. The chicken is cooked through when the juices run clear when pierced with a fork. The skin should be beautifully golden brown and crispy. Section 6. From oven to table, a symphony of flavors. Once baked to perfection, remove the chicken drumsticks from the oven. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in the most tender and flavorful meat. Serve the drumsticks hot. For an extra burst of freshness, squeeze some lemon juice over them. Section 7. Embrace the culinary artist within. These juicy baked chicken drumsticks are a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Feel free to experiment with different seasonings. Add a touch of garlic powder for an earthy note. Sprinkle on some dried herbs like thyme or rosemary for an aromatic twist. Get adventurous with a pinch of cayenne pepper for a hint of heat. These drumsticks are delicious on their own, but they also pair wonderfully with a variety of sides. Serve them with fluffy mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables for a comforting meal, or go for a lighter option with a crisp salad. There you have it. A simple, foolproof recipe for irresistible, juicy baked chicken drumsticks. Now it's your turn to try it out. Gather your ingredients, preheat that oven, and let the aroma of home-cooked goodness fill your kitchen. Enjoy!